Hey guys, and welcome back. Here you can see the servicing costs, so I'm hiding nothing. You can see what was serviced, how much it was charged, and the level of detail that they went to for me. They fitted a couple of additional things that were not part of the service, so I paid for those separately. At the end of this vid, you'll see a breakdown of the costs, and I can honestly say that Pielmeier BMW are the best BMW dealers I have ever dealt with, bar none. If BMW are listening, you need to learn service from Pielmeier because they give service properly. Well guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this and appreciate the honesty, then please give a big thumbs up and please subscribe, because the channel's just going to grow and grow and grow, and as we develop we'll come up with a lot more things that will be of interest. Thanks guys, and take care. Ride hard, ride safe, and wherever you are, enjoy life. Take care.